Asante sana members of the media, all retired officers ambao wako hapa, our senior retired officers, Bwana Mlandi, Bwana Oletito, ambao wamefanya kazi na serikali wakiwa police officers for many years. Kwa majina naitwa Isaac Masinde, I'm the county commissioner Narok. Nataka nichukue nafasi kwanza nikaribishe our national official Mr. Mlandi, Narok County. Nataka niseme kwamba mimi nikiwa mwenyekiti wa security Narok County, we are happy to host you here. Sisi ndio tulipeana hiyo ofisi kwa officials wa Narok chapter police retired team, kwa sababu tunaelewa umuhimu wa kufanya kazi pamoja na wale retired officers. Retired officers vile mnajua ni watu wako na ujuzi, wamefanya hii kazi kwa miaka mingi, wamefanya kazi sehemu mbalimbali, na mimi nikiwa mwenyekiti wa security pamoja na komiti yangu, we will benefit alone. I want to ask for partnership. Tufanye kazi pamoja in terms of enhancing community policing. We want you to work closely with us wakati muko hapa, alafu pia wakati mnapata nafasi mna train the security guards, make sure kwamba mnaingiza mambo ya community policing so that they can be able to work with the current security team to enhance security in the county. I also want to take this opportunity to thank the retired police officers from Narok County for coming together. Kwa sababu hii kukuja kwao pamoja itawasaidia. Kuna wengine ambao wameretire na wamepotelea huko nyumbani, hawaeleweki wanafanya nini. I want to urge that the current officials in Narok chapter muendelee kurecruit, because najua there are so many retired officers from Narok County. Maybe wengine hawajui kama kuna association kama hii, waweze kuregister wakuwe members, because when you are a member of an association you can be able to know what is happening. You can also be able, badala ya kurasti huko nyumbani, at least kwa njia moja ama nyingine you get updated on what is happening in government, what is happening in the country. Na pia mambo ya welfare ya wale ambao wameretire pia itaangaliwa na hii association. So let us do a lot of mobilization and let us work closely with the county security team. We will support you. Let us work together to ensure that we enhance security in Narok County. I want to take this opportunity also to congratulate you for making official, at least to open this office. It's a small office, but it will serve the purpose. Let's use it for the purpose of bringing all retired police officers together, and also for ensuring that we look into the welfare of our retired police officers. Still working, and they are here. They should know that one day they will retire. Let's prepare for retirement. Wakati retirement imefika, at least we join the association, tuendelee kushikana, ili at least tuweze kuendelea mbele. Thank you so much.
Here, being the vice chairman of NARP headquarters to represent the chairman. The chairman is none other than Mr. Japhet Mwania, the former director of CID, and before then he was the man in charge of NYS. Right? Basically, our county commissioner is with us here because he's the person who gave us the office. For officially today come and hand it over to us. This is where the Narok chapter is going to operate from. And what we have in Seginani is a training school. We do training there, and once the officers have been trained, this is going to be the administration office. Our members who have retired from the police service, from various departments of the police. We have CID, we have a special branch, we have the AP and the general GD. Our main purpose is to advocate on issues and the welfare of retired police officers. Because once, we all know, once a policeman has retired, he gets back to his village. It's very hard for us to get to know how he's faring on. But with this kind of an association, we are able to know who has what challenge. and we come back, we come together and see how best we can assist him or her. Very good, because we have just been policemen yesterday. And of course, all policemen who are serving today, they will end up retiring. Once they retire, where do they get to? We are trying to prepare a soft landing for them. And that is why you can see the county commander is with us here in his OCPD. Because they are, sooner or later, they will also retire. After retirement, where do they go? We want to tap their knowledge, and that's why we have now the school. Any Kenyan, we do the normal recruitment. Once we do the normal recruitment, then of course, those officers will be posted in any part of the country. Like the students we have in college right now. Once they complete their course, it will now be up to this team to try and find where we can have those officers go and provide the security. I've already heard the government has a policy on security, on community policing aspect. This is now the opportune time for these retired police officers, because they are all over in the villages. They will be able to assist now the police, part that knowledge to the Mwananchi, because they are closer to the Mwananchi and they even know what is the element of security, because they have been brought up on security matters. Most of them are very senior police officers in various departments and with the various kinds of knowledges, various kind of knowledge. And therefore, with us having them here, we are able to tap. There are those who have been on fingerprints. There are those who have been in CID investigative. There are those who have been in special units within the CID. And we have those who have been all over the place, like being the commandant traffic. As personally, I've been the commandant traffic, I've been the commandant STU, I've been the commandant Nairobi area before I retired. And that is why the team thought I should maybe lead them after we lost our former chairman. You have asked a very pertinent question. Interestingly, for Narok, we do not have a single policewoman who has retired. We expect them to retire and join us. But at the moment, we do not have. She could be with us. If she was there, she could be with us here.
On the training, I'm in charge of training and coordination. Apart from training new recruits or guards, we will also be training people who are employed by other private security services. Like you have your own private security, you have a school that has a watchman, because we want to coordinate that and make the work of the Kenya police to be easy. Because when you just employ a watchman in the village and tell him to guard the gate, you also need to give him other training, you give him other knowledge so that we can have security. And with that, because the commissioner has other meetings, we just got him from his office, I would ask you, we finish this, he goes to the office, then we can continue.
1956 November, nikaretire 1969. Sasa iko miaka 53 tangu kuretire, na mimi iko miaka 90. Nilisaliwa mwaka wa 1933. Kwa hivyo nimeretire, nimefanya kazi, alafu nikaretire kwa miaka 12. Kazi ilikuwa mzuri, na kazi ambayo ya kwanza mzuri sana ni discipline. Kama unakuwa na adabu mbele wakubwa yako, hata wadogo, utaheshimiwa vile vile kama unajiheshimu mara ya kwanza. Na ufanya kazi kama unapenda kazi yako, fanya kazi yako vile unapenda hiyo kazi. Utafaulu na kuishi kwa njia mzuri. Njia ambayo unaona nyawaka, fuata hiyo bila kuchukua laana kutoka huko na huko. Heshimu hata wadogo, wakubwa yako na wadogo. Pombe nimewacha miaka 50 iliyopita, na niliwacha kidogo kidogo, na nilikuwa mkimbiaji. Tuseme kama 1962 mimi ndio niliweka record ya Kenya Police 100 meters. Nilikimbia kwa police miaka 17. Nilikuwa nakimbia pamoja na ile mzee ambaye alitabu kwa naitwa Rudisha. Tulikuwa pamoja Jane School mwaka 62, 63. Lakini mimi nilikuwa naenda kwa general duty, nilifanya Kajiado, kwenda Siolo, naenda Gwamba, na kwenda Malaysia kazi Kisumu. nikiwa na Sajin. Chakula ni chakula mzuri tu, mboga, maziwa na nyama, na utaishi mzuri.
Honorary members. They should be honored.